na niya here is your external iliac artery. Then below na sa imong inguinal ligament, it becomes the femoral artery. Okay, femoral artery. Then the branches of the femoral artery, this one is your profunda femoris. Okay, kani. Profunda femoris artery. Then the branch of your profunda femoris is your lateral femoral circumflex. Okay. So other structures in your femoral triangle, you have the femoral nerve, and then you also have the femoral vein. So the vein, the large nga tube is your femoral vein. Ang smaller is your great saphenous vein. Okay, great saphenous vein. And then, so for the leg, so this is the anterior view of the leg. So you have the anterior tibial artery, and then the deep peroneal nerve. Then you have the superficial peroneal nerve. So at this level of the foot, kanang natabunan sa inferior extensor retinaculum, kanang wa pa ni-divide, is your dorsalis pedis artery. Then going palateral is your lateral tarsal artery. Then canaliform arch is your arcuate artery. Then the first na branch of the arcuate is your first dorsal metatarsal artery. Then you have the second dorsal metatarsal artery. Then ang terminal branches, kanang red, na si red dira, kanina siya nakita. So you have the dorsal digital artery. Then sa other side, so you have the saphenous opening. Okay, saphenous opening. Then you have there your great saphenous vein. And then you have the femoral artery. Okay?